Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, took oath as the Governor of Meghalaya today at Raj Bhavan, Shillong. Brigadier Dr. Mishra, who is the Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, was given additional charge of Meghalaya after the tenure of incumbent Governor Satyapal Malik ended on Monday. The President of India has been pleased to appoint Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, to discharge the functions of the Governor of Meghalaya, in addition to his own duties from the date he assumes charge of the office of the Governor of Meghalaya until regular arrangements are made. Ajay Kumar Singh, the Press Secretary to the President, said in a communique.
I, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully discharge the functions of the Governor of Meghalaya and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
Union